Hi guys, welcome to another lesson about addition. In this lesson we're going to look at word problems and we're going to learn how to identify key information and look for key words that tell us that it's addition. Okay, so here are just some. So there are lots, there are many. These are just some of the words that signal that you need to do addition. Remembering addition is joining two parts together to make a whole. So we might see the word and or add. At the end it might say altogether, joined, more. These are just some of the key words. You'll discover more as we go along. Okay, so I'm going to read this word problem to you and then we're going to look for the key information and signal words. Okay, so it says Tyler had 6 apples and Meg had 3. How many apples do they have altogether? So let's get our pencil out and circle some of the key information. So we don't want to circle all of it. Oh, who can see some of those signal words? I can see and, altogether. So Tyler had 6, that's the numbers are important, and Meg had 3. So here's Tyler, he had 6. And Meg had 3, and they want to know how many they have altogether. So that means equals. So 6 and 3 more, how many altogether? Now when we're solving problems like this, if it were bigger numbers, we could draw a picture or we could get out some counters to help us solve this problem. But I already know how to do a count on 3. Remember we learnt that in one of our other video lessons. So I'm going to hold 6 in my head and count on 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 apples altogether. Okay, let's have a look at the next problem. There were 5 koalas in the tree. 4 more joined them. How many koalas in the trees? Okay, now key information. There were 5, then 4 more joined. How many altogether? So I know if we're saying there's more and we're joining, I know that means addition. Okay, so over here in this tree we had 5 koalas, and over in this tree there were 4 that came along and joined them. Okay, so it's 5 plus 4 equals something. Now, if I couldn't do this in my head, I could draw a picture. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 koalas, and 4 more came along. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many koalas in the tree? There were 9 koalas in the tree. Okay, now we wouldn't have to necessarily draw koalas. We could just draw circles, or we could go and get some counters out to help us too. Let's have a look at one more. I had 3 lollies, my friend had 2, and my sister had 4. How many lollies do we have altogether? Oh, signal word, altogether. Now let's go and dig in for the other important information. So I had 3, my friend had 2, and my sister had 4. So 3 lollies and 2 lollies and then 4 more. How many altogether? Okay, I could draw a picture or I could do some rearranging here. You've got to find the strategy that suits you. I'm going to show you how you could draw a picture to solve this one. 3 lollies. And 2 more, and then 4 more. So 3 and 2 I can do a count on. 5, 5 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9 lollies altogether. Okay, now you've seen how we find key words or the signal words and find the other important information to solve word problems. Head on back over and check out what your practice task is.